Hey guys, it's Casey again. It's Halloween, and I decided this year I was going to spook out my house with some lights, which includes this strobe light, which I found at the store Spirit Halloween. I believe they're all over the country. You can check their website. This was $29.99, and on their website I found a 20% off coupon, and so I paid $24. Let's open it up and see what we've got. I just brought it home. I was looking for a light that could actually be plugged in, not run on batteries. Okay, looks like some sort of bracket. Oh, wow. This is a lot more substantial than I anticipated. It's quite large. That's nice. Packaged carefully. Wow. That's some bulb in there. That's not some Walmart LED bulb. I'm not sure if that is an LED. Looks like I just attached it to the bracket, which I'm going to do now. All it took was one screw on each side to screw it in onto the bracket. It looks like there's well, you could put a hole in this bracket if you wanted to mount it onto something. It's just a hard plastic. But so far I'm impressed. It's large. Looks like I can just set it somewhere in my house. Let's get it plugged in and try it out. Wow, guys, this strobe light is bright. I've got it in a dark closet, and for obvious reasons I'm not pointing the camera at it. There's a switch on the back of it that allows you to speed it up or slow it down. I'm slowing it down. It's just like a knob. I'm actually pointing the camera as far away from it as possible. Here I'm speeding it up. Now I'm going to show you the actual light while it's working. I'll go very slowly. I don't want anybody's eyes being damaged. It's going to get brighter as I approach the strobe light. Now this does appear to be a true strobe light. Some of the cheaper ones at Walmart just have blinking bulbs. This actually gives you like the robot effect that you see at weddings when people are dancing, and the professional DJ can, if he has a true strobe light, can make them look like robots. Okay, it's going to get brighter. This light is impressive. And for $24, I am comparing it to a professional quality one. I don't know if it would last, using it as a pro every Friday and Saturday night. But I think it's gonna work great for my Halloween. Okay, it's getting brighter. Whoa, it's really messing with the camera. Whoa boy. There's my shoes. So as you can see, don't hurt your eyes. Here, and I'm still not looking right at the lens. You don't want to, and I'm not going to. Okay, that's enough of this experiment. So far I'm impressed. Runs on a standard 110 cord. Just comes with the light itself. I'm sure this is indoor use only. There's no way I would put this outside. It also says in the box to not use it for more than 6 consecutive hours. That's probably because of heat. I'm sure it gets warm. This is going to light up my house for Halloween this year.